What is in here?
What is this?
No.
It's dirty like a girl's butthole.
What up, what up? Back at it. So today we're going to be doing a exhaust on the 300 SRT. It's a 2012. Yeah, right now you don't even see the exhaust. Let me go underneath.
Cause I cut that shit
That
off.
food.
Cause I'm a boss.
Fucking big LEL fucking cut it up. And I guess we never really did nothing after it. Fuck, lifting that shit. This is a cold start, I guess. It sounds like, it don't really sound like shit, to be honest. I've had this car for like 5 years, and I think it has Borla, but I think it has that touring. Cause the ATAC would have sounded nice as fuck. But that's how it sounds on the cold start. It's not that nice to me. So we're gonna switch it up. Got the solo performance. All right, so in that first box, you get, here's the piping, here's the shirt. Good thing my fat ass lost weight, I could finally fit in this shirt with the suitcase. I'll unwrap it later. And then you got your exhaust tips. And then we got this box still. And we're gonna open it up and I'll let you know what's in this box. So in the second box, you basically just have your clamps and bolts and stuff. And it also came with these pipings. So this is the whole exhaust system right here. All right, let's get onto it with this shit. Go ahead.
Ready?
Yep. Rev it up. So that's how it sounds. It's not that loud, I'm telling you. What up, what up? So I know it's like different scenes and shit, but like we finally got the exhaust installed. So they didn't send us clamps, and the previous person that owned the car, they took off the hangers, so we had to get the tips welded. But finally got it on, and the OEM diffuser as well. So this is how it looks. So it sounds pretty good, to be honest. Like, it's not like loud, but it's pretty good. But I'm gonna show you guys how it sounds. That's how it is. To be honest, like, it's not like Borla ATAC or Corsa, but it sounds pretty good to me. I like it at idle especially. Take off on it and I'm gonna show you guys how it sounds at full throttle, passing by and everything.